First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 29 daily score boosters questions. First, we are going to see simplifications. First question, in this question, we need to know the fraction values of this one and this one. In this one, I don't know the exact fraction value, but I can divide this 83.33 as 50% and 33.33% of 138. 50% means half of 138, which will be 69, plus 33.33%, which is nothing but one third of 138, 3 4 times and 3 6 times. So the total value of this one is nothing but 115, and we must need to remember 1 to 60 squares because of this one. It is 729 under square root, means the value of 27 minus 51 plus the fraction value of this one is nothing but 1 by 7. How I remember is 14 and 28 are factors of 7. This is how I remember. So into 91, 7 13 times will be 91 equals to x plus 4. We have 115 plus 27 minus 51 plus 13 equals to x plus 4. So totally minus 51 and minus 4 will be 55 equals to x. Here we eliminate 5 and 5. We left with 10. We have 5 and 5, 0. Left with 1. Okay. So x value is 100. Next question. This is the second question. To solve this question, we must know the squares. How to do squares? First, I know 33 square, which is 1089, and before solving these two, I'll see a formula here: a square minus b square. A square minus b square formula will be a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so a plus b means we have 21 plus 19, which will be 40, into a minus b means difference between these two is 2. Okay, so we got a 40 into 2, which is 80, plus this is also looks like the same, a square minus b square. So first we will do a plus b, which will be 98 plus 96 will be 194, into difference between these two is 2, plus 22 square, which is 484, equals to x plus 31 square means 961. This is why we need to learn and by heart 1 to 60 squares. 1 to 60 squares learning is very easy. Okay, first we have completed this one. This will be 388. The value of this one is 388. 484 whole minus 961 equals to x. So 9 plus 8, 17, 17 minus 4, 17 plus 4, 21, 21 minus 1 will be 20. 8 4 times 32, 34, 34 minus 6, 28. This will be 9, 9 minus 9, 0 and 1, 1080 is our answer, option B. Next we are going to see question number 3. This is the third question. In this question, we need to multiply these numbers. We'll learn the trick for these numbers, how to multiply. Here first we'll do 25% of 3500. Percentage and double zeros is cancelled. 25 into 30, 24 into 35. First how to multiply this one is, here we have 5, so I'll divide this as 12 into 2 into 35. 35 2 times will be 70 into 12. 7 times will be 840. Okay, so the value of this one will be 840, plus here the difference between these two numbers is even number, which is 6, so we'll do half. we get 3. Adding 3 to least number 37. 37 plus 30 will be 40. So the first one will be 40 plus 3 and second one is 40 minus 3. It looks like a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b formula will be a square minus b square. So a square will be 40 square, which will be 1600, and b square means 3 square minus 9. So we get 1591 for this one. So the value of this one will be 1591. Now we'll do the same here. It is very clear that it is 80 plus 1 and 80 minus 1. So 80 square will be 6400 minus 1. We get 6399. Answer for this one. Okay, let's solve this one. Here the difference is 8. 8 half will be 4. So it will be 30 minus 4 and 30 plus 4. So 30 square, which will be 900, minus 4 square 16. We get 884. So totally we have 840 plus 1591 plus 6399. This is minus 884 whole equals to x. We have 10 minus 4, which will be 6. Here 18, 22, 22 minus 8, 14, 8, 8, 16, 17. 17 minus 8 will be 9, and we left with 7. 7946 is our answer, option B. Next we are going to see question number 4. This is fourth question. To solve this question, we need to know that this is 23 9 times, 17 3 times. So we have percentage and 2 zeros cancelled. 2 into 21 left here. 9 3 times will be 27. I already said that how to multiply two numbers. The difference between these two numbers is 6. So half of this one will be 3. So it will be 24 minus 3 and 24 plus 3. It looks like a minus b into a plus b. So we'll do a square minus b square formula. 24 square will be 576 minus b square means 9 square, 3 square 9. We get here it is into 2. We get 567 into 2. So 2 7 times 14, 2 6 times 12, 13, 2 5 times 10 and 11. 1134 for this one. Okay, the total value of this one will be 1134. Next, 41 square, which will be 1681 minus. Now we need to find the value of this one. The difference between these two is not an even number, so we'll go with we'll see a shortcut. This is 23 into 50 plus 1. 23 5 times will be 1150 plus 23 will be 1173. So answer for this one will be 1173 plus equals to x plus 524. So totally we have 1134 plus 1681 minus 1173. This plus 524 comes this side with minus 524 whole equals to x. 4 plus 1 5. 5 minus 7. We have 15 minus 7 will be 8 at the end. This will be 7 plus 3 10. 10 minus 7 will be 10 minus 9 will be 1. Now we left with 27 minus 26. 27 minus 16. We left with 11. So x value will be 1118. Option B is our answer. Fifth question. In this question, first we need to multiply this one. The difference between these two is not an even number, so we'll go with a shortcut of 42 into 60 minus 1. 62 times 12, 252, 0 minus 42, which will be 2478. Okay, plus here the difference between these two is not an even number. Wait a second, the difference is an even number, but we'll check this as 20 plus 1 into 73. 73 2 times will be 146 and 0 plus 73, we get 15. This will be 33, 1533. Here it is 57.14 percentage. We don't know the exact fraction of this one, but we know we can divide this as 50% plus 7.14% of 133. 50% of 133 will be half of 133, which will be 66.5. 7.14, which is nothing but 1/14 of 133. 7 2 times and 7 19 times, 2 9.5 times. So we get 76 as answer for total this one. Okay, plus x equals to 96 square. We need to find the 96 square. 96 square means how to find is 96 is lesser 4 less than the 100, so we'll subtract 4 from 96, we get 92. Now we are doing square for this one. 4 square will be 16. So this is how we find squares for squares of 75 to 100. Squares like this, we got 76 plus x equals to 96 square plus 20. How to find a 96 square? 96 is 4 less than 100, so we'll do subtract 4 from 96, we get 92, and we are doing square for this one, which will be 16. This is answer for 96 square. This is how we calculate squares from 75 to 100. The squares between 75 to 100 we calculate the same like this. Let's take an example of a 94 square. It is 6 less than 100. So we'll subtract 94 with 6, which will be 88, and 6 square is nothing but 36. So our answer will be 8836 is the answer for 94 square. This method is useful for these squares 75 to 100 squares. Okay, let's solve our question. Here it is 96 square, we got a 9216. So here we have 2478 plus 1533 plus 76 plus x equals to 9216 plus 20. So 9236 whole equals to x. These all comes this side with minus. 8, 3 and 6 will be 7. 4, 7 and 3 will be, and this is 8, 5 and this will be 0, 2 and 1, this will be 4. So we left with 9, 4, 1, 5. 5149 is our answer. Option C is our answer. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. 42 and 13. 7 6 times will be 42, and sum of these two will be 13. So minus and plus, the roots will be in positive. Here 133. 133 means 19 7 times will be 133. This is why we need to learn our 20 into 20 tables to find the factors very fast. Okay, by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Okay, first one answer is x lesser than or equals to y. Second one, here 72, we need to get a 17. 9 8 times is 17. Okay, 9 8 times is 72, and we got 17 plus and plus, so the roots are in negative. Here 119, 119 is 17 7 times. Okay, minus and plus, minus and minus means plus and minus. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Okay, next third one. Here 368, I don't know the exact factor, so I'll divide this as 4 9 times and 4 2 times. I further divide as 4 into 2 46 times. 8 and 46. Not, we don't get now also further divide. 4 into 4 of 23. 23 plus 16, which will be 19. So 23 and 16 are the factors for this one. Minus and plus, the roots are in positive. Here 182. 14 13 times will be 182. We got 27. Minus and plus, the roots are in positive. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Okay, next fourth question. 153. 17 9 times will be 153 and we got 26. Plus and plus means the roots are in negative. Here 153. We got the 8 means 17 9 times. Subtracting these two, we get 8. Okay. Minus and plus, minus and minus means plus and minus. So by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Okay. Next, fifth one. 152. It is 19 8 times. This is why I said we need to by heart 20 into 20 tables. Minus and plus, plus and plus are the roots. Here 112. 14 8 times will be 112 and we got 6. Okay, plus and minus. Here minus and plus are the rows. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than or equals to y. Now we are going to see wrong number series. First question. Here the first number and last number are varying very big, so these are in multiplications. It is nearly 5 times. 9 5 times 5 1 times 5 5 1 times 5 9 5 times 45, and this is plus 7. Here this is nearly 4 times. 25 4 times will be 100. 100 and 4 2 times 800. 800 plus 100 will be 900. This will be plus 11. Here it is nearly 3 times. 73 times will be 210. 210 plus 9 219 plus 6. Here 33 into 2 times 66. 66 plus 7 will be 73. This is into 1 plus 7. So it is clear that into 1 plus 7 into 2 plus 7, but this one fails. Into 4 plus 11, this is also fails. Into 5 plus 7. So these two are wrong, means this is our wrong number. Okay, let's see second question. First increasing and then also increasing slightly, so we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 3. Here the difference is 6. Here the difference is 24. Here the difference is 120. Here the difference is 720. So it is clear that it is into 6 times, into 5 times, into 4 times. So it must be into 3 times. 3 times, which is not 6. So 6 divided by 3 will be 2, not 3. So our answer will be, wrong one will be 891. This is our wrong number series. Okay, next third question. These numbers are slightly varying, so we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 19. Here the difference is 38. Seems like a 19 table. Here the difference is 57. Here the difference is 76. Okay, these are 19 table. So here the difference is 5 0 and 1, which is wrong one. So wrong one will be last one, 320 is our wrong number. Let's see fourth one. The numbers are slightly varying, so we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 652, 256 is a square number. Let's see further. This is 6, 2 and 2 near to a square. This is 5, 9 and 1. This is also near to a square. Here it is 9, 6 and 1. Here the difference is, this is also a square number. Here the difference is 4, 4 and 1. It is also square. 12 square, 13 square, 14 square, 15 square and 16 square. These two are wrong numbers. So this is our wrong number. Okay. Next, fifth question. Here the numbers are slightly varying. So we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 5, 2, 6, 625. It is a square number. Let's see here. The difference between these are 5, 2 and 1. Wait a second. This is 5 power 4. This is 5 cube. Here the difference is 3 and 2, which might be the wrong one. Let's see, the difference between these two is 7. It must be the wrong one. If it is 25 and if it is 5, then this is our wrong number. Let's see the right number. 1878 plus 25 will be 1903. 1903 plus 5 will be 1908. So our wrong number will be 1901. Now we are going to see missing number series. Here it is increasing rapidly, so it is nearly into 4 times. 4 1 times 4, 4 6 times 24, 4 5 times 20, 22 2 2 double 4 plus 4. Okay, this is into 1 plus 1, so it must be into 2 plus 2. It must be into 3 plus 3. 92 2 times will be 184 plus 2 will be 186. 186 into 3 plus 3, 6 3 times 8, 8 plus 3 1. So answer will be option A, 186. Second one. Here the numbers are slightly varying, so we'll go with differences. Here the difference is 4 and 6. Here the difference is 25. Wait, this is 8 square, this is 5 square, or else it is 4 cube, it is 5 square. Next one is 6 cube, which means 216. 140 plus 216 will be 356. 356, and here 7 square, which is 49. 356 plus 49 will be 405. So our answer will be 356. Option B. Next one. Here the numbers are rapidly increasing, so we'll go with the multiplications. 11 8 times will be 88, so we'll go with 7. 8 7 times will be 6, 7 1 times, and 8 to 60. So it is into 7 times. It is into 8 becomes 49, nearly 6 times. 6 times will be 36, 5 and 8 4 4 9 5 6 0. So it is into 6 times. So it must be into 5 times and it must be into 4 times. 4950 into 5 times. We write like this, into 10 by 2. 2 times, 4 times, 7 times, 8 times and 00. 247 800 is our answer. Into 4 times will be 4 8 times 32. So our answer will be 247 800. Wait, this is the option is wrong. So answer will be 247 800. Okay, option C. Next one. Here these numbers are varying rapidly, so here it must be into factors, multiplications. It is into 2 becomes 11, means into 5 times. 5 times means 11640. So it is into 5 times. It must be 5 becomes 23 means into 4 times 4 8 8 4 times 32 and 5 4 times 20. Okay, so it must be into 3 times, it must be into 2 times. 97 2 times will be 194. Answer will be 194, option D. Next one, fifth one. Here the difference between these two is 5, here 8. The difference between these two is 3. Let's take 3 difference. 11 will be 29 and this is 14. 9 plus 14 will be 43. So answer will be option D for 29. Now we are going to see inequalities. First, the basic concept we use is the flow method. If we see a symbol like this, we check the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, we check the flow from this side to this side. Let's see with the questions. In the first question, the flow from L to I with everywhere equal to also. From L there is no flow. From L there is no flow. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from F to I with everywhere equal to. From F we can reach to H. From H we can reach to G. From G we can reach to K and I. And there is equal to everywhere also. So second conclusion will be true. Second question, the flow from S to X with everywhere equal to. From S we can reach to W. From W we can reach to T but not to X. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from S to T with everywhere equal to. From S we can reach to W. From W we can reach to T and there is equal to everywhere. So second conclusion will be true. Third question, first conclusion, the flow from D to C. From D there is no flow. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from I to D. From I we can reach to E. From E we can reach to D. So second conclusion will be true. Fourth one, the flow from J to P. From J we can reach to H and K. From K we can reach to P. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from G to J. From G we can reach to P. From P we cannot able to reach to J. So second conclusion will be false. Let's see fifth question. The flow from M to T with everywhere equal to. From M we can reach to P. From P we can reach to N and S. From S we can reach to T. But there is missing of equal to here. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, we already see the flow. We can reach M to T. So second conclusion will be true. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms. First question, only a few clocks are imported. Okay, only a few needles are imported. No watch is needle. Let's see conclusions. All watch are imported. Direct meaning, we need to check the direct meaning because it is a direct conclusion. All watch inside imported. No. So false. Second one, some clock are not needles. We check all clock are needle. All clock can be placed inside needle. Yes, it is possible. We can draw a possible diagram of all clock inside needle. So all case possible means some not case fails. Okay, next. Second question. No game is Ludo. Only a few Ludos are bad. Some better game. Wait a second. This is game and this is game. So connection between these two is no. Okay. Let's see conclusions. Some bat are definitely not Ludos. We see not. So we check all bat can be Ludos. All bat can be placed inside Ludo. Yes, it is possible. It is possible means all case possible means some not case fails. First one false. Second conclusion, all bat are Ludos. We check the direct meaning of this one in our basic Venn diagram. All bats inside Ludo? No. So second conclusion is false. Here This is negative statement and this is positive statements. Suffixes and prefixes are same. So it is either 1 or 2 is the answer for this one. Okay. Let's see third question. All bike or car. All car are scooty. Some scooty are cycle. All cycle are truck. Let's see conclusions. All truck are car. This is the direct conclusion. We need to check the direct meaning in our basic Venn diagram. All truck is inside car? No. So first conclusion will be false. Let's see second conclusion. Some scooty or truck is a possibility. This is scooty and this is truck. It is already sharing some part and it is saying possibility. So it is false. Let's see fourth one. All switch is wire. Only a few wire is circuit. Some circuit are current. All current are charger. Okay, let's see conclusions. Some switch can be circuit. This is switch and this is circuit. We can share some part. So first conclusion will be true. Next, all current are wire. We need to check the direct meaning of this one because it is a direct conclusion. All current. This is current and this is wire. There is no direct relation between these two. So second one will be false. Let's see fifth question. All roof is floor. All wall are floor. So wall is inside floor. Some floor are terrace. This is terrace. Some room are not terrace. Some part of room is not a terrace. Let's see the conclusions. All roof being terrace is possibility. All roof can be placed inside terrace. It is not possible because of this. Some part of roof cannot be shared with a terrace. So first one will be false. Second one, some wall or roof. It is a direct conclusion. So we check roof and wall. There is no direct relation between these two. And it is saying some part is sharing. So second conclusion will be false. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle, circular sitting arrangement reasoning puzzle. First one, 8 people are standing around a circular table and facing away from the center. So always for circular sitting arrangement, I'll draw like this. Let's take two possibilities and all are facing outside. Okay, let's note the rough statements. Only two people sit between C and G. Let's start with the question. If we place C here, two people and G place here. If we place C here, two people, 1, 2, G place is here. Let's see the next statement. As many people between A and H as between H and D. So A and H, as many people between H and D. Okay. B is neither an immediate neighbor of G nor H. So B and G does not be adjacent and B and H is not be adjacent. Next one. E stands second to the right of C. Second to the right of C is E. Okay, let's note in our this one, in our puzzle. C second to the right is E. C second to the right is E. This is the place for E. Okay, next one. A stands exactly opposite to F. A and F are opposite to each other. F, who is not an immediate neighbor of E. F and E does not be adjacent. Okay. Now we solve using these rough statements. A and F are opposite. So this is the place for A and F. E and F are does not be adjacent. So we place F here and A here. In this case, A and F places are here. We place A here and F here. Okay. The statement is completed using this one. Now we need to find this one, A and H. Let's take H here, 1 2 1 2 and D. Then we left with B. This is a place for B. B and G does not be adjacent, so this case fails. Let's take in this case A here. Let's take H here, 1 2. So from H 1 2, this is place for D. Left with B. It is satisfying our puzzle. So this is the solution for our puzzle. Let's see the questions. Let's see the questions asked. Who among the following person stands opposite to C? Opposite to C is H. Here there is no option for H. We'll check A and C. The one who stands immediate right of B. Immediate right of B is D, not H. So our answer will be option C. The one who stands second to the right of E. Second to the right of E is H. So answer will be C. Next one. Second question. Which among the following pair stands adjacent to each other? A and C adjacent? Yes, first one. E and F. E and F are not adjacent. D and B. D and B are adjacent. So third one. G and A. G and A. It is not adjacent. So 1 and 3 are adjacent is the answer for our second question. Third question. As many people stands between B and C? B and C. These two. As between E and H, when can E either H or C when counted from the right of both B and E. From right side of B there is only one person. From right side of E means H. So our answer is H. Option D is our answer. Let's see fourth question. 4 of the 5 are alike. So we need to find the odd one out. G and B. This is G and this is B. Two people between them. H and D. Two people between them. B and A. There is two people between them. A and H. There is two people between them. E and B. There is three people between them. So option E is our answer for this one. Fourth one. Okay, let's see fifth one. How many people stand between D and G? This is D and this is G. There is three people standing between them. So answer will be option C. Three people. By this we have completed today's score booster topic. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.